In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and import favorites in Microsoft Edge. If you are moving to a new computer, switching browsers, or just want a quick backup of your bookmarks, exporting and importing your favorites in Microsoft Edge is simple. Let's start with exporting, which creates a single file containing all your saved sites. Open your favorites by clicking the favorites icon, the star with 3 lines in the top right corner of Edge. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus O to get there right away. In the Favorites window that appears, look for the 3 dots at the top. That's the More Options menu. Click it, then choose Export Favorites. Edge will open a Save dialog. Pick a location you'll remember, such as your documents or desktop. Give the file a clear name, and click Save. Edge saves this as a HTML file, which is a widely compatible bookmarks format. A quick tip, adding today's date to the file name makes it easier to tell backups apart later. That's it, your favorites are now safely exported. Next, let's import favorites. This is useful when you are bringing bookmarks into Edge from a backup file or from another browser. Open your favorites again using the icon or Ctrl plus Shift plus O. Click the 3 dots at the top and select Import Favorites. You'll see options to choose your source. If you are importing from a file, open the Import From drop-down and select Favorites or Bookmarks HTML file. Click Choose File. Find the HTML file you exported or received. Select it and click Open. Edge will read the file and bring those bookmarks into your library. If you are importing from another browser, select the browser you want to pull data from and choose the specific profile if more than one is listed. Then click Import to begin. This is handy if you've been using a different browser and want to consolidate everything into Edge without creating a separate file. When the process finishes, click Done. Your imported bookmarks will usually appear in a new folder called Imported. Open that folder to confirm everything came through as expected. You'll see your familiar bookmark names and folders preserved. If you notice duplicates, that's normal when combining sources. You can tidy them up later if you like. The important part is that your data is safely in Edge. And that's the whole process. Export to create a portable backup, and import to bring bookmarks into Edge from a file or another browser. Thanks for watching.